In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for planning. We'll build a clear, reusable workflow from a blank board to a polished template you can use again and again. First, open Miro and create a new board. Give it a clear name like content workflow or client process, so you and your team know exactly what lives here. Think of this board as your visual workspace for mapping everything. A concise title makes it easier to find later and sets the scope for what you're about to design. Before adding anything, define your single workflow goal. Ask yourself what process you're building and keep it focused on one thing only, maybe a YouTube content workflow, a client onboarding sequence, or a social media posting routine. Narrowing your goal prevents clutter and helps you make better decisions as you map. Now start laying out the building blocks. Use rectangles for tasks, diamonds for decisions that branch yes or no, and circles for the start and end. A simple example might be start, then idea, script, film, edit, upload, and end. Keep shapes consistent so anyone can read it at a glance, and space them evenly to reduce visual noise. Next, connect everything with arrows. Arrows show direction and make your map a real flowchart instead of a collection of boxes. Wherever there's a decision diamond, make sure your arrows clearly indicate each path, so no one wonders what happens next. Add details to each step by clicking a shape and typing brief, actionable notes, instructions, tools used, and deadlines. For example, under Edit Video, you might note Tool, CapCut and Task, add captions and transitions. Keep text scannable, enough to guide action, not so much that it overwhelms. Use color coding to make the workflow readable at a glance. Green can mean completed, yellow in progress, and red needs attention. Or, if you prefer categories, try blue for planning, purple for production, and orange for publishing. Choose one system and use it consistently, so colors carry clear meaning. If you're working with a team, assign tasks by adding people to specific steps and using comments or tags to clarify ownership. This is especially helpful for assistants or agency collaborators who need to know exactly where they fit. Attach supporting files and links directly to the board, documents, cloud drive links, and key references, so everything stays centralized and no one is hunting for resources. Then test and optimize, walk through the workflow step by step, remove anything unnecessary, and simplify wherever possible. A strong workflow is simple, repeatable, and resilient. Finally, save your work as a template by duplicating the board. Reuse it for future projects to save time and maintain consistency across your operations.